Let's go through this GCSE Maths Edexcel Higher exam question. The equation of line L1 is y equals 2x minus 5. Equation of line L2 is 6y plus kx minus 12 equals 0. And the lines are perpendicular. So the first thing you need to know here is for two perpendicular lines, when you multiply the gradients, you have to get minus 1. So m is the gradient of one, and m dash is the gradient of the other one. When you multiply these two gradients, you have to get minus 1. So the line L1, the gradient for that is going to be 2. It's already in the right format, so 2x minus 5m, the coefficient of x, so the gradient is 2. So you can write that down, m equals 2. For the line L2, it's not quite in the right format, so you have to rearrange it. So it says 6y plus kx minus 12 is 0. And we need it in the form y equals mx plus c. So first of all, we'll say 6y minus 12 equals minus kx. And then next step, you take the minus 12 to the other side. So you've got minus kx plus 12. And then remember to divide everything by 6 because you have to get y, not 6y. Y equals minus k over 6x plus 2. So you can see the gradient of L2 is minus k over 6. Let's just write that down. So m dash, we'll call that, is minus k over 6. So that's one gradient, and the other one is over here. So when you multiply these two gradients, you have to get minus 1 because they are perpendicular. So 2 multiplied by minus k over 6 equals minus 1. So what you can do is take the 2 to the other side, you'll be left with minus k over 6 equals minus 1 divided by 2, which is minus a half. Add a minus on both sides so you can get rid of the minuses. So k over 6 is 1 over 2. And then take the 6 to the other side. So k is a half times 6. So that means k is 3. And that is the answer to your question. So you can see there's a few steps in that question, but the first thing you have to know is that perpendicular lines, the gradient with the gradients multiplied makes minus 1. Once you know that, the next thing you have to know is being able to rearrange to put an equation into the format y equals mx plus c.